Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Joe back with the Menace SI Racing Project. I got another part. I already know what this is. It has to be the intercooler. It's the biggest one I've got so far. So let's unbox it and see what it is, see what it looks like. It's gonna be messy. This is some type of styrofoam. Let's take it out. Make a mess. Okay, yeah, so it's the intercooler. So far, here's the intercooler piping. It's like a rubber tubing. Another piece as well. Bunch of clamps. That's a lot of clamps. Here's the aluminum metal tubing. Another small piece. And the other side, more of the aluminum tubing. And one more small piece. I don't know if you can see that rubber piece. Here it is. There's the intercooler. Comes with a cover on it. Try to cut this off. Let's see what it looks like. I got the one with the PRL on it. Here it is. Pretty good, decent size. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but this is good. I didn't want it too big. And the ends are closed off, which is pretty good, so nothing gets in there. Because I was watching other videos where they said the styrofoam was getting into it, but they plugged them up. It shows the PRL emblem there, and then it has the printed PRL here. So now that I got the intake, the cold air intake, and I got the intercooler, we'll go ahead and have these installed and run it, see how it runs. And then I got one more part that's gonna come in, and I'll get that on, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, but I'm excited. Probably put this on within a few days, hopefully within the week, and then do another video and review the parts and how they do. So thanks for watching again. Please subscribe, like, drop a comment, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thank you.